Welcome to the Cranston Public Library Summer Reading Challenge. Our theme this summer is Imagine Your Story. The Summer Reading Challenge is open to teens and kids ages 0 to 18, and it will run from June 22nd to August 14th, 2020. Please note that you can't register for the challenge until June 22nd. The way that the challenge works is you'll use this website called Beanstack to log your reading, earn badges and raffle tickets, and hopefully win a prize at the end of the summer. The first step is to register for the challenge. You can either register yourself as an individual or as a family with accounts for children under the same family account. So for this, I'm going to select I am registering myself. If you are, say, a middle or high schooler with permission from your parents to register yourself, you can do so. Or, like I said, if you are a family with multiple children, you can all sign up together. This is where you will put your information into Beanstack. It's very important to note that you should put a valid phone number or email address so that we can contact you if you win a prize. You'll put all of this information into Beanstack. Please note we ask you what your primary library is. If there is a Cranston library that you visit more than others or that you consider your home library, please let us know. And when all of your information is input into your registration, you'll click on Next. Once you're registered, you will be brought to our challenge landing page. Here there is more information about the challenge, and it has all of the badges. For your challenge badges, you earn a badge when you register and when you complete the challenge. So as you can see, I've registered, I've earned my badge, it's nice and colored in. I also earned a raffle ticket just for registering. There are also logging badges. So for each hour of reading, I earn a badge up to 10 hours. At 10 hours, I have been considered as completing the challenge. However, we have additional bonus badges in 5-hour and 10-hour increments up to 50 hours of reading. So depending on how much you want to read and log this summer, there's a lot of badges and raffle tickets to be earned. To log your reading, in the left-hand corner, there is a pink log reading button. Here is where you will select the day, enter in the amount of reading, and the title and author if you choose. You don't have to put in the title and author, but Beanstack can keep track of all the books you read this summer if you choose. So let's say I have 1 hour of reading. Look, I earned my first badge. So by reading 1 hour, I've unlocked the Bright Future badge. Just note if I had read less than 1 hour, you can put in any increment of reading, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and Beanstack will keep track of your reading and reward your badges as you earn them. And as you can see, I also got 1 ticket. If you click on Enter a Drawing, it will show you all of the different prizes that you are eligible to put raffle tickets in for. So we have gift cards to Barrington Books, Lakeshore Learning, Party City, and Roger Williams Park and Zoo. You can decide if you want to put all your tickets in for one prize or spread them out. We really look forward to seeing you online and in the library this summer. Please contact us if you have any questions about our summer reading challenge.